Good afternoon and welcome to the Change and Nature's Own Farming at Summer Shell Natural Farm रामनगर। परिवर्तन का प्रतीक और पर्यावरण संतुलन का पर्याय बन चुका है समर शेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर से मैं आपका मित्र हिमकर मिश्रा अपने आज के वीडियो ब्लॉगिंग में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ। हमेशा की तरह हमारा यह वीडियो हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मिश्रित होगा और मैं इसके साथ पूरा न्याय करने की कोशिश करूँगा। शैल ट्राई टू डू जस्टिस टू टुडेज ब्लॉगिंग। आज हम अपने मरीजबाड़ी के बाहर अपने सदर्न एंड पे खड़े हैं और आज का सारी गतिविधियां यहाँ पे केंद्रित हैं हमारे दक्षिण वाले छोर के। ऑल एक्शन इज सेंटर्ड अराउंड द सदर्न एंड ऑफ द फार्म एट द पेरिफेरी एंड हियर we are busy today clearing the weeds and the weeds from here, and as you can see the girls are busy in that, and we have the boys who are plucking the lemons Gandharaj from here. As we are clearing the creeps and the suddenly we are exposed to a lot of Gandharaj lemons hidden inside. बेटा एक बार नींबू जो बड़ा वाला है उसको निकालना बाहर दीपा, तो जो आगे वाला है हाँ, तो जैसे ये है तो तोड़ लो उसको। हाँ यहाँ दो। So this is the Gandharaj lemons here, and I'll just put it in Dilkhush's basket here. So इसके basket में भी दिखाओ। You can see the natural farming, the results of natural farming, the sizes of Gandharaj. Probably these are the most gigantic of all Gandharaj sizes anywhere in this world, and the reasons for this is the amazing biodiversity here at the farm. Here the girls are clearing as I said, they are clearing all the creeps here, and we have our girls like Budhni and Deepa and Khushbu, Anju and the rest here. They are doing there, and they are very happy doing what they are doing here, and I'm happy bringing the whole thing to you also. We'll go back to that side from where the other action is being taken. जैसा कि आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, और let me tell you, today is a important day here. Today we are plucking the lemons for dispatch to the 3 metropolises, Bangalore and Delhi as usual. And we are adding Mumbai, so all my patrons and all the people who are waiting for Gandharaj from Ramnagar at Mumbai, the wait is finally over. Big Basket is finally launching our Gandharaj in Mumbai from day after. The harvest of the Gandharaj shall reach Mumbai by the morning flight tomorrow. So by noon they should be there, and probably from day after it would be available on the Big Basket app. So all of you who want to have the exotic, purest of the pure lemons, please download the Big Basket app if you have not done that already, and book your Gandharaj from there. So here, as we can see, let me walk deep into it. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मुंबई के लिए वैसे भी काफ़ी विलम्ब हो रहा था, but finally after hearing this, we are here finally, and you can ये छोड़ देना अभी, ये छोटा है, अभी और पड़ेगा ये, बहुत छोटा नहीं तोड़ना है, वो जो देखने तो हाँ वो तोड़ सकते हो, छोटा मत तोड़ना सर. So what we'll do is we'll walk to the other side, and you can see the amazing biodiversity all around, the amazing thick green cover of Gandharaj. By the way, this area is known as the Marichbari, name coined to explain the pink pepper orchard here, and these are the earliest pink pepper trees here, more than 10 years old when we started growing pink pepper at our farm. And as you can see, so it's a mix of the lemons here. We have the lychee orchard behind me, and a lot of pruning of the lychee here, and we just keep on moving on the eastern flank, clearing the weeds and the creep, and plucking the Gandharaj from here. Gandharaj is a very amazing lemon. I'll tell you, they are often this size, they are often this shape, protruding from the outside, round or elongated. Some grow, some are more elongated than round. And let me tell you, we have broken the stereotype of Gandharaj lemons being not too juicy. The Gandharaj from our farm is very, very juicy. They grow bigger in size than the conventional Gandharaj, and the results are amazing. Just amazing here. And as you can see, how dense, and Gandharaj also has the very sharp thorns, needle-like thorns, and we keep losing ourselves every day. So I do not know whether I have the bed of roses, but I have multiple beds of thorns here at the farm, the southern end. And the more we go that side from the corner, we'll be getting एक हम लोग वहाँ भी चलते हैं सुबह, है ना, ऐसे चलते हैं. So at least I can सुबह बहुत सारा देखो यहाँ भी कितना गिर के थोड़ा खराब होकर गिरा हुआ है जी. ये तो तोड़ने लायक है या छोड़ोगे इसको भी? अभी छोड़ दो हरा छोड़. अभी सेकंड राउंड में तुमको भी और आना होगा ना जी. And here, as we move towards the further east on the southern flank, we have इधर बहुत है तुम्हारा. हाँ इन्हें अभी नहीं तोड़ते. So you have the lot of Gandharaj here, and as they clear up these, here suddenly you will find इधर आओ Zara. You suddenly find so many Gandharajas from here. Today it's basically we had very heavy showers yesterday in the evening, and but today the weather god has been kind. It's very hot, humid, and also breezy, and we have a lot of easterlies blowing this and bringing a lot of respite from the heat and humidity that was in Purnia for the last 1 week. So the girls are all busy there, plucking there, and let me tell you, all these girls, they regard me as a father figure, though they all call me Bhaiya ji, and they have been, their families have been associated with us for generations now, and so there's a lot of bonding, camaraderie, and a lot of goodwill that we share with them, their families. I also attend their weddings, a wedding in their families. Some of the girls just got married, a few of them are engaged also to be married 6 months down the line. So this is a very good example of social harmony, and as I tell you, it's a women-centric farm, so to speak. We have the girls and the women here who substitute for most of the jobs here. We don't have very tough or hard jobs to be done here, just pruning the weeds and the creep, and so the bulk of the work is centered around them. So today Summer Shell Natural Farm is what it is, largely due to the efforts and the work of the girls from here. And we are going to walk out of this dense cover now, and the more I walk in between these years. सुबह तुम अपना जूता क्यों नहीं पहना? ये नहीं पहनता, गोड़ कट गई. तुम मोजा के साथ पहनो ना, तुम इतना अच्छा जूता तुम्हारा, क्यों ऐसे रिस्क ले रहे हो तुम? कुदार लग गई. अरे कुछ भी हो, मलहम लगाओ, ये सब तो लगता रहेगा बेटा. तो from ये शीशम का है ना जी? हाँ जी. So this is a शीशम tree which is coming up with the bird droppings here. And as you can see now, when we इधर आओ ज़ारा, ज़ार, मिथिलेश, ज़ार को लेके आ जाओ इधर, कामत पे आ जाओ, कामत पे. मिथिलेश वहाँ पे ले आओ उसको, फार्म कामत पे ले आओ. So Zar cannot stay for long without me, especially when I'm around. He wants to be, he says, I'm happy so long I'm with you. And this little girl Zara, since she's open, Zar को बांध के रखना पड़ता है because he goes and attacks Major the Labrador. I don't know what animosity he has. He resents him like anything. So we are back on the trail now, and we shall walk back to the farm. वहाँ तक चलो जहाँ नींबू है. And there they have, we have already plucked around 200 kgs or 300 kgs so far. So we have another 200-300 kgs to pluck and then pack them also. इधर ला में देर है क्या?
जी
और इसमें से तो यहाँ तो बहुत है सुबह.
हाँ इन्हों से
हाँ बड़े बड़े हैं यहाँ तो.
हाँ ये हम से गंदराज से
हाँ गंधराजी है. इसमें से उतरवाओ.
हाँ इन पक लेते हैं.
So now we are walking through our. Can you see the trail here? The path flanked on both sides by lemon Gandharaj plants here, the trees, and a lot of Gandharaj lemons inside. So this also acts as a natural deterrent to stray cattle. They don't like being bruised by the thorns here. And the pruning this part has been complete. So we have so many things in plenty here. In a year's time, in a year from now, you'll see all these clear vertical space which has been cleared, full of guavas and papayas and lemons and desi tuar and vetiver of course and haldi. The women here are completing. The women here are completing the vetiver plant, and I hope that by today evening, आज खत्म हो जाएगा ये. So we'll end the vetiver thing here. So tomorrow most of the work here for the part, then we'll be left with the clearing the nursery, clearing our nursery, and the planting thing and the subsequent plucking of Gandharaj and bananas also, the Malbhog variety that we have here. And as you can see, with the rains, the after effects of rains at Ramnagar. So, isn't it a very amazing walk through the cover? You watch it every day. I take you on this walk practically every day, and it's a very, very amazing walk on a daily basis, and the regular video updates from Ramnagar. We'll go to the farmhouse where they are emptying the Gandharaj lemons, and we'll call the video session. We'll call it a day for today, and we shall do something tomorrow with a new story with ye. And you have our man Friday and our Munshi ji Anirudh Mandal in charge of the manager and in charge of everything here, doing the ye. So before I end, let's call it a day, but let me tell you what I tell you every day. Keep appreciating, keep suggesting, keep criticizing, but don't forget to watch the regular video update from ground zero of Samarshell Natural Farm, because today Samarshell Natural Farm Ramnagar is the pride of Purnia and Bihar, but the day is not far off when this beautiful natural farm shall be the pride of the country as well. And with your support and good wishes, I can assure you that in days to come, in this farm will be at the center stage of the global stage also. मेरे हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए, पर देखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि समरशेल प्राकृतिक फार्म रामनगर आज पूर्णिया और बिहार का गौरव तो है, और आने वाले दिन में ये पूरे देश का गौरव होगा. और शायद वो दिन भी दूर नहीं जब हम अपने इस सहज सरल प्राकृतिक फार्म को विश्व के मानचित्र पर सफलतापूर्वक स्थापित कर सकेंगे. Thank you very much for being participative and supportive as always. This is your friend Himkar Mishra telling you goodbye from ground zero of Samarshell Natural Farm. From all of us present here, from Anirudh Mandal, from Amod, from Mitlesh and his elder brother Subodh Mandal here. Thank you very much.